In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover diagram in draw.io. If you've ever opened a diagram and realized that changes were lost, overwritten, or saved in a way you didn't want, don't worry. There are a couple of simple ways to recover an earlier version, and in this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to do it clearly and quickly. Start by opening the file in the editor. Make sure you're inside the diagram you want to recover, because the recovery options are tied to that specific file. Once the file is open, you'll be ready to check its built-in history. Next, use draw.io's revision history. Go to the top menu bar, click File, and then choose Revision History from the drop-down menu. A pop-up window will appear, and on the left side you'll see a list of timestamps. These timestamps represent previously saved versions of your diagram. Take a moment to browse through those timestamps and look for a version from before the unwanted changes happened. This is helpful if you accidentally deleted elements, rearranged parts of the diagram, or saved over something important. When you find the version you want, select it and review it carefully. If it's the correct one, click Restore in the bottom right corner. You'll then see a confirmation pop-up asking if you're sure. Click OK to complete the restore. If your file was saved to a cloud service, there's another recovery method you can use, and sometimes it's even more useful because cloud platforms often store multiple file versions automatically. In that case, check the cloud version history for the file. For example, if the diagram is stored in Google Drive, locate the draw.io file in your drive. Right-click the file, hover over file information, and then select Manage History. A pop-up window will appear showing timestamps for the available versions. Look through the list and find the version from the time period you want to recover. Once you've found the right timestamp, click the More Options icon beside that version. From there, you can choose to download it or keep it forever. Downloading is a good option if you want to inspect the older version before replacing anything, and keeping it forever can help preserve an important recovery point so it won't be removed later. That's it. By checking revision history inside draw.io or using your cloud storage's version history, you can usually recover an earlier copy of your diagram without needing to recreate your work from scratch.